Why are there not more people talking about the magic of orange chicken? It's the sweet and savory sensation that's taking taste buds by storm. First, imagine taking a bite of crispy golden chicken, perfectly fried to a crunchy perfection. Now picture it coated in a sticky, tangy sauce that's bursting with the fresh zest of oranges. The sweetness hits you first, followed by that perfect hint of citrusy tang. It's like a flavor explosion in your mouth. But wait, there's more! The sauce isn't just sweet and tangy, it's got a subtle hint of soy that adds a savory depth, making each bite a complex symphony of flavors. Add in a sprinkle of sesame seeds and a few chopped green onions, and you've got a dish that's not only delicious, but also a feast for the eyes. So next time you're craving something mouth-watering, remember, orange chicken isn't just a dish, it's an experience. Ready to savor the magic? Dig in,